This is the T20, beautiful dress watch with a totally curved 1.5-inch AMOLED screen. It's brilliant. You got all kinds of controls in here, sound, vibration, twist your wrist to light it up, and super dim if you want to have it nice indoors at night, and decent brightness overall for inside or outside. You got an app drawer that includes a variety of sports, your current pedometer, step count, sports records from these different things that you can do, walking, running, cycling. No GPS on this, though it uses the step count for that. And a bunch of other things, rope skipping, badminton, football, on and on and on and on, aerobics, yoga. These are all time versus heart rate versus calories burned, basically. You got messages pushed from your phone, the weather in your area pushed from your phone, a music player for remote access there. You got last night's sleep time on this one, and a curved display. It's really sweet. You've got really robust stopwatch that runs in the background and can just keep on going with lots of different lap times. Got 4 hours on it already and still going. Remote camera capability, find your phone is here. The QR code for the strange app that tethers with this, and overall settings, which is basically your languages, of which there are a whole bunch of them on this one. And loops around and comes right back so we can get to our English again. There we go. About it and restore it to factory default. Now this is the most fun part of all. The watch face can be changed from the background selectively, individually, like this, and the foreground can be changed like this to anything you want, any combination you want at any time you want. It's beautiful, 1.5-inch AMOLED screen, curved display, very attractive. It's the T20. Check it out.